Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. And this black Ep3 TypeR Civic has been in before for a map, but he's changed the exhaust and he's back for another tune. Now he's on a K100 ECU, so that means we've got to take that out before we start and get a K Pro out and start tuning before we flash back to the K100. But initially we'll make some noises and we'll see if we can get her up on a bit of power. So here we go, let's do it. Black Ep3 back again. As I said, we've seen this one before when it was very minimally modded. But now it's back with a tegiwa 70mm, tegiwa leaf eater, and a Jap speed 4:1.
Yeah, it's still held back on the top end, this car. Definitely made good power in the mid-range, or certainly what you would expect from the modifications it got, and then sort of again reached around 7.5 and flattened off top end.
Maybe it just can't get the air in, mate.
Yeah, maybe it can't get the air in or whatever. I don't know. I don't rate that induction kit. I really don't. I mean, sometimes they, sometimes they do okay. Sometimes they don't. They don't do so well. You know what I mean? I think they do better on an inlet manifold than they do on the stock inlet manifold. But yeah, for me, a better induction kit and inlet manifold next on this car, I think.
Yeah.
That's obviously if he wants to go that far.
He might want to.
Might want to, might not.
He might want to go. He might want to go as far as you want to let him.
Yeah. That's a whole entirely different conversation.
We've got another two cars to map.
Yeah, we have. So we better go on with it, haven't we?
Let's do it. Let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. There's power there from about 4 and a bit onwards. We've made power, but as Richard says, it tabletops off a little bit, like it can't quite get as much air as it needs. And we finish on 222 brake horsepower. That's what I'm calling that, which is 189 at the wheels. Code word tegiwa 70mm, because we love a tegiwa 70mm, and this has got one. And we'll see you all on the next one.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.